American bridges face constant challenges: heavy traffic, extreme weather, and the relentless test of time, leading to a never-ending cycle of repairs. To break the cycle, DOTs nationwide are turning to a new, powerful preservation solution: FasTrac Hybrid Polymer Concrete. Hybrid polymer concrete has been engineered to deliver superior strength, durability, and performance compared to traditional options like asphalt, latex, and polyester. The Missouri Department of Transportation, in partnership with KCI Construction, selected hybrid polymer concrete for a crucial bridge deck overlay in Springfield, Missouri, highlighting the product's unique advantages. Hybrid polymer concrete is strong like concrete and flexible like asphalt. Unlike polyester overlays, hybrid polymer concrete features high tensile elongation and resilience, allowing it to withstand heavy traffic, extreme weather, and temperature fluctuations without cracking or deteriorating, thereby increasing the lifespan of our nation's bridges. HPC preserves the underlying structure by creating an impenetrable barrier to moisture, chemicals, and salt, making it an ideal choice for projects that demand a durable, long-term solution. HPC is self-priming, saving you time and money on the job site. And there are no chemical odors, heavy metals, or VOCs, making it a safer, environmentally friendly material. The FasTrac volumetric mixer mixes the two-part resin system perfectly to ensure a consistent mix at all times. Hybrid polymer concrete can be installed in a range of thicknesses, from a 3/4 inch overlay up to 12 inches thick if necessary. This project required a 1-inch minimum application, with some areas exceeding 3 inches. HPC allows for the addition of a friction aggregate in the same pass, which not only provides added safety, but a smooth ride for years to come. With hybrid polymer concrete, bridges can reopen in as little as 2 hours, minimizing downtime and keeping traffic moving. This faster curing doesn't compromise strength or quality. In fact, it's precisely engineered to ensure maximum bond strength to the bridge deck surface, reducing the risk of delamination and making for a more resilient and longer-lasting overlay. The never-ending cycle of repairs and replacement has been broken. Thanks to this innovative technology, this bridge deck is now fortified for the future, ready to handle heavy loads and harsh conditions for years to come. FasTrac Hybrid Polymer Concrete, designed for durability, engineered for excellence. To learn more about how this groundbreaking material can transform your next project, visit us at FasTracProducts.com.